How to fix screen getting black while playing game. Step 1. Open up Task Manager. Check for CPU memory disk usage. If it's getting above 90% means the issue will occur. So you have seen the memory is hitting 70%. So after that you need to scroll down and check if you are not using any application which are running in background means you need to end the task. Make sure no need to end the task of the inbuilt applications. Check it and end the task. After move on with next step, open up startup apps. Here more number of startup applications are enabled means the issue will occur. So you need to disable it. If you really not need the application for startup means need to disable it. Important note, don't disable the inbuilt application. And next step, click settings, click system settings, click display settings, click advanced settings, click choose a refresh rate, set it as 60 Hz or 120 Hz. It's lower the refresh rate. And move on with next step, search for view advanced system settings, click it, click advanced. Under performance you have seen settings, click it, click advanced. Under virtual memory click changes, enable automatic manage paging file size for all the drive. Enable it. If it's disabled means you need to enable it. After enabling, click OK, click apply and OK, click restart now. After completing, move on with next step, search for device manager, click display adapters and update the drivers. You can update the driver by using this method or else go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. Click monitor, click update driver. After completing, close it. Then open up this PC, make sure you have enough memory space. If you're not having the enough memory space means the issues will occur. Right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. After completing, close it. The next step, click settings, click system settings, click display settings, scroll down, click graphic settings, click advanced graphic settings, turn off the hardware acceleration GPU schedule. After turn off, you need to restart your device. After restart, you can check. If the problem still remains, then you can revert back it. Thank you.